Hello students. So today we will continue. Today we will start a new exercise. So practice 16a probability. What probability? So what is the probability that we will study today? Probability. Probability. So probability means what is the percentage? You can say it is the percentage of the outcome, percentage of the favorable outcome with respect to the total possible outcome. So in this probability we are expecting the result. Suppose you are tossing a coin, so one can tell that head will come and one can tell that tail will come. But what is the possibility of coming head and tail? That is the 50-50%, because the total possible outcome is what? There are two. In one coin there is one head or one tail. So that's why the total possible outcome is 2. Means your answer can be a head or tail. So what is the probability of coming head? 50%. What is the probability of coming tail? Is also the 50%. So that is called the probability. So the formula of the probability is number of favorable outcome. Number of favorable outcome divided by total possible outcome. Divided by total possible outcome. That is the probability. So if the chance of coming the head or if the chance of coming any event is more, we can say that there is the even chance or the more chance of winning. So what are the chances here? You can see in the summary. Impossible chance means if your favorable event, suppose you have tossed a coin and it is asked that what will come and you have given the answer. On the place of head and tail, what you have given the answer? A will come. So if the letter A is not written on the coin, so how they will come? So what is the probability of A? Is 0. That is the impossible. This is the impossible event. The event which you are asking, that will never come. Possible means which is possible. So if we are tossing a coin, so the possible outcome is head and tail. That is called the possible, which event will occur. That is called the possible event. Certain means definitely it will come. So if it is asked either head or tail, so either head will come or tail will come. So that is the certain. Answer is certain. So even chance or equal likely chance, if you toss a coin with a head and a tail to decide who will serve first, then it is equally likely that the either head or tail will show up. Equally likely outcome means 50-50% chances is there. More likely means Mohit will pick up a burger without looking. So if on the plate, see, if on the plate all the events are burger only, so when Mohit will pick up one item by closing his eyes, then also there is a more chance to pick up the burger only, pick up the burger only. Unlikely or less likely? It is less likely that you will get a Kit Kat from a bunch of 8 chocolates, as shown in the figure. See, less likely means 8 chocolates are there, and out of 8 only one Kit Kat. So the possibility of picking up the Kit Kat is very less. So that is called the less likely or unlikely. If the probability is very less, that is called less likely or unlikely. Okay. So poor chance, that is also called the poor chance. Now we move to the exercise and practice 16a. We use this formula to calculate the probability. Now here the question 1. A. You will throw an 8 with a normal die. So in the normal die there is 6. In the following events, match correctly to indicate whether the outcomes are possible, certain, or impossible. So in a normal die you are throwing, 8 is impossible event. It is not in the normal die there is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. On a normal dice you are getting the numbers 1 to 6 only. But here your favorable outcome is 8. So 8 will never come. So what which type of event it is? Impossible. What do you write? Impossible. Now you see B, your uncle will call you tonight. Your uncle will call you tonight. So it is possible, impossible, or certain. It is not certain that your uncle will call you tonight. Maybe it is a possible event. It is a possible event. So here in the box is given that you have to answer. For the answer A is what 2 impossible. For the answer B, it is written 1. That is the possible. That is the possible. So second B is the what? Possible. Possible maybe your uncle will call tonight. That is the possible event. Okay. Like that, we move to the next question. A mouse will give birth to puppies next year. A mouse will give birth to mouse. So mouse will give birth to puppies. This is not possible. Mouse will give birth to mouse only. So what do you write? Impossible event. C is also the impossible. Like this we have to do the remaining question. Not possible. Question D. Friday will be the day after Thursday next week. Yes, after Thursday, every day Friday is coming. Every day will be the Friday will be the day after Thursday next week. Yes, in the next week also the Friday will come. That is certain. That is certain. That is certain. D. See what is that? Certain. After Thursday, Friday will come. Okay. Next is E. You will have milk omelette and pancakes for breakfast today. So you will have in the breakfast today these things. Possible, not impossible thing. You can have milk, omelette and cake is not so much costly that you cannot have. This is possible. What is possible? Okay, now we move to the question number 2. Similarly to the remaining question, categorize each outcome as likely or unlikely. So likely means more chance, unlikely means less chance. So question number 2. You will not get reservation in the train due to heavy Diwali rush. So you will not get reservation in the train due to heavy Diwali rush. This is what? Unlikely. Yes, very less chance. 2. Unlikely. What do you write? Unlikely. Unlikely. So you will not get reservation in the train due to heavy Diwali rush. Likely. What is less chance? Not get means less. Yes, there is a less chance. But you will not get. So likely. Not get means likely. Next, your friend will go to the moon next month. Unlikely. Very less chance that your friend will go to the moon, because the moon is not placed as Delhi is near to us. See, someone in your class will be absent next week. So that is the likely. Someone in your class will be absent the next week. So that is the what? Unlikely. Yes, few may be the absent. Few may be the absent. Okay, see likely. That is the C, likely. So January is the month of winter. So in the winter it will snow only. So what it is? Likely only. B. Yes, likely. Okay. D. What answer? Likely. Remaining is 2. Now we see the question number 3. Question number 3. Choose the likelihood which matches the outcome of each event. Impossible, unlikely, even chance, likely, and certain that we have to check. 3A is the school cricket team will win the local tournament. School cricket team will win the local tournament. So yes, there is a chance. What? Even chance you can say. So the school tournament even chance, that is not the even chance. That is the even chance to win the tournament. Now, Mr. Dinesh will cut the grass in his garden. Mr. Dinesh will cut the grass in his garden when it is snowing. So when the snow will fall, Mr. Dinesh will cut the grass in his garden. Is it possible? Unlikely, because when the snow will fall, the grass will be covered with snow. So how he will cut? There is the very less chance. Unlikely. Unlikely. Which is what? Unlikely. Okay. Now see the question C. While going to school, you will pass by a black car. While going to school, you will pass by a black car. How many chances is there? That is the most of the cars which are running on the road, red, white, and black are there. Okay, so there you find likely. How much chance? Likely. Even chance is there. Now next question is D. The mountaineer will be hurt if he falls off the mountain. Definitely he will hurt, certain. The mountaineer will be hurt if he falls off the mountain. Certain. 5. Certain. Certainly if anyone falls from the mountain, he will hurt only. Mountaineer will be hurt if he falls off the mountain. Mountaineer will be hurt if he falls off the mountain. So if anyone falls from the mountain, he will hurt only. So likely he will hurt. The chances is given here. D4 given it, na? D4 is written. So you write it down. So write it likely only particular answer is given, but maybe some persons is wearing something, you will not get hurt. So you can write likely. It's not clear from which height he is falling. Maybe at a low height he is falling from a low height. Okay. So similarly you do the remaining questions of this. Now I have done discussed now one more question. I discussed E. the number of the top face of an ordinary die will be an even number. So there is a chance on the top face, that is the even number, that is the equally likely. So you can write the 4 for this also. Even chance, that is the even chance, more chance. Even chance, more chance to get the even number on the top face of the die. Okay. Now this is all for the today students. In the next class we will discuss self practice 16b. So thank you for your kind attention.